Everyone talks about lion's mane mushroom for brain health, but studies show that that might not even be its most impressive benefit. So this week I dug into some of the studies on lion's mane mushroom and the other benefits outside of brain health, and I'm gonna share them with you today. So the first hidden benefit that you don't see a lot of people talking about is the benefit to anxiety and depression. There has been one really good study, and there have been a few other studies that have shown benefits with stress and mood. This study specifically was done with 30 women over the course of 4 weeks. I'm gonna read some of the stuff they found. Depression scores dropped significantly. Anxiety, concentration, and indefinite complaints all improved. Indefinite complaints are basically just like vague symptoms that you have that just might make you feel off. You might say, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, I'm irritable, things like that. The researchers noted that this seems to work differently than through the mechanism of NGF through nerve growth factor. So although we're talking about just one study here, and we definitely should see more research, it's great to see that lion's mane may have these benefits. And I think that there's no surprise to me that it would. That takes me to the last one. The last benefit that you don't really see people talking about is how lion's mane affects your gut health. Lion's mane acts as both a prebiotic and a probiotic. It's been shown in studies to increase beneficial gut bacteria, and there have been studies, both human studies and animal studies for them. And these bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory, support the gut lining, and they also help regulate mood through the gut-brain axis. So the best study results that we've seen here actually show that it increases gut diversity within 7 days. And it also reduced harmful gut bacteria. So why does this matter? Not just for the benefit of your gut, but also for the benefit of your brain and the way you feel, your anxiety, depression, mood, stress, etc. It's because there's something called the gut-brain connection. Your gut is responsible for producing a lot of your neurotransmitters, which is kind of crazy to think about. It actually produces 90% of your serotonin. It also produces GABA, dopamine, and other neurotransmitters. This is clearly responsible for a lot of the way that you're gonna feel day to day. These travel to the brain and influence your mood, cognition, inflammation, and this gut-brain axis travels in both directions. The health of your gut affects the health of your brain. Very important for one another, which is why lion's mane can help in a very holistic way. So I'm gonna end there, but if you wanna hear any more of these lesser known benefits of lion's mane or any other of our ingredients, or you want me to dig into any of the big studies that have been done, just drop a comment and let me know. Thanks.